This is the LEM16 Android 11 smartwatch. It's got all the standard controls for turning on your location surfaces, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, do not disturb, and an overall brightness that can go pretty decently bright and very, very soft for nighttime use. You have, in addition to this, your ability to change to a special battery power savings modes that disables all the basic apps except for your workout information and your heart health. You've got a clear everything little control for memory management, and you have a status of your power level, your SIM card, and your Bluetooth connection on here as well. Here you got messages sent from your phone, and this way you've got your step count information, a music player for music you install on the watch, and weather in your area. Speaking of which, we have 128 gigabytes of storage on this and 6 gigabytes of working RAM for the watch, which is huge. Here you got your app drawer, and then of course over here you got all your workout activities that you can do. When you're in the app drawer, you have access to phone contacts and SIM or SMS that are using the SIM card you install in this. It's a standalone watch. It does not tether to your phone for calls. You have overall settings, heart rate, blood oxygen, and breath training, along with last night's sleep time, are supported on the watch and passed to the GoFit Tethering app. Basic browser, you got two cameras, a front one which is low resolution for just basic video calling, and a higher resolution camera on the side for taking pictures, but not the highest resolution, mind you. It's okay. Gallery to see your images, you got calendars, and you got alarm clocks, and there's the music player again, a basic voice recorder, weather in your area. There's the fitness app, which is very similar to what you saw when we swiped to the end. Themes and desktop stuff. You have access to Google, of course. The Google Play Store is in here. Google Maps, optimization to help improve your battery life. Watch Face Store, where you can download a variety of faces, and the assistant is letting you do all of the stuff, the tethering app on your phone. You have a good selection of installed watch faces that you can access simply by pressing and holding, and you can go through these, check them all out. We do that in the full review, and you can download faces like I said, and I've added one from the download right here. It's a good-sized watch. This is kind of standard by today's features, a 1.6-inch watch. It's relatively thick because you need a 900 milliamp hour battery in here. The SIM slot's been relocated to the top, and it's not dunkable, waterproof as far as I can tell, but it should be definitely splash resistant as the speaker's been moved over to the side, and you don't have too many places where water could get into it. Comes with a rubberized band, and you can get an optional little puck that goes with it, a power bank, for about 20 bucks more. All in all, it's a decent Android 11 smartwatch, the newest one on the market. It's the LEM16. Check it out.